Have you ever felt awkward when your friends or relatives ask you, do you smoke, after seeing your lips or gums? Then this video is for you. As in the picture, have you seen the gums is in a black in color? Yes, this is called as a melanin pigmentation. We all know melanin pigments are responsible for our skin to look darker. Same applies for your gums and lips also. So when you have a more melanin pigmentation, our gums changes its color into brown or black in color. Gum pigmentation happens due to prolonged drug or medicine use, or even when you smoke, when you are palm sugar. So normal color of a gums is coral pink. So if you want to change your gum color into a normal coral pink, please visit your dentist. There are two options your dentist will suggest. One is microdermabrasion, as we do on our skin. Same applies to your gums also. The other method is by doing a laser treatment. So when we do it with the laser, it's bloodless and painless, and next day you can start your day-to-day activity. Do share this video if your friends are having these black color gums.